Have you ever walked into a messy, cluttered home and felt immediately overwhelmed? It's like the chaos around you takes a toll on your mind. You cannot think clearly and you just don't feel good. It's hard to focus, hard to relax, and it affects your overall well-being. Now, imagine living in a place where that feeling never goes away. A place where everything around you feels messy, not just your home, but your entire country. The cost of living is sky high, making it hard to afford basic necessities. The water supply isn't reliable, so you cannot count on having clean water every day. On top of that, the soil is contaminated with dangerous chemicals like chlordicone, affecting the food you eat. It's not just an inconvenience anymore. It is a constant weight on your physical and mental health every day, leaving you feeling trapped in a cycle of stress and uncertainty. Well, in the French Caribbean, the cost of staying healthy has skyrocketed, not only affecting our wallet, but it's impacting our health. So I'm asking you right now, my beautiful healthy people, do you think it's possible to become healthy or to stay healthy when in your country, every single thing that you want to buy in the grocery is 40% higher than mainland France or than the UK? Let me know your answer in the comment below. Imagine paying double for a simple bag of groceries to buy basic necessities like water, toothpaste, shampoo, soap. In this channel then, we are going to explore how living in this condition, where the environment is messy and dangerous around you, affect your well-being and your health. To introduce this huge topic, we are going to explain this quote, from holding slave chains to holding supply chains, and see what it does imply in the French Caribbean. The quote from holding slave chains to holding supply chains outline an historical transformation from direct enslavement to economic dominance, suggesting a continuity of that control and power exercised by former colonial entities and elites. It implies that while the practice of slavery has ended, the underlying system of exploitation and economic control persists into our island, particularly through control over supply chain and economic resources. In the Caribbean island of Martinique and Guadeloupe, the effect of colonialism and slavery are still present in how the economy works today. To better understand what I'm saying, it's important to come back to the past during the colonial times, where wealthy families from France owned plantations, large plantations, and used enslaved people for labor. Even though those times are over, the descendants of those plantation owners, known as Beke, still hold a lot of economic power. As a result, many people on this island rely heavily on a few powerful groups that control and regulate the market. Being healthy is a combination of nutritional awareness and choices, sports, portion control, being well mentally, feeling good in general. Try to live your life and stress-free as much as possible. When you have lived over there for many years and you know the historical context of this island, when you analyze the health situation in Martinique and Guadeloupe, it becomes clear that achieving and maintaining good health over there is beyond individual choices. It's deeply tied to the broader socio-economic and political context on these islands. Can you imagine the constant stress from living in an unstable environment? Yes, it does affect your mental and physical well-being, often driving people toward unhealthy eating habits. This vicious cycle of economic hardship, stress, and poor diet leads to higher rates of chronic disease such as diabetes, obesity, and hypertension, also cancer. Health should not be reserved and privilege for those who can only afford it, but a fundamental right supported by fair economic practices, stable social system, and empowered local communities. Well, my beautiful healthy people, that will be it for the first episode. That was just an introduction. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content of this video.